Suspect. Chicken skin. Body odor. Dark underarms. Why not try the soap? And why don't you try this Kimiko Niacinamide Calamansi Tawa soap? So, I've been using this soap for about 2 months already, and masasabi ko talaga na nakatulong siya for my comfortability and confidence. Kasi feeling fresh ako lagi, feeling clean every time that I'm using this soap. So, with the kind of work that I have, sometimes hindi maiwasan na masa-stress tayo, and then everyday working, yung katawan natin, syempre minsan bumibigay na. So, what this soap helps me is really to fight bacteria and body odor. So, kapag mainit, especially tropical country tayo, so pag mainit, hindi maiwasan talaga na magpapawis tayo and minsan, magkakaroon tayo ng body odor. But this soap helps me fight those kind of, irritants sa life natin as a female working. So, maganda talaga siya. Una-una, nag-lighten up yung skin tone ko. So, kung mapapansin nyo, marami din ako scratches from my cats. So, isa din to sa nakatulong sa akin para mag-lighten up yung mga scars ko, na mag-brighten up yung skin tone ko, and moisturizing effect din is maganda kasi nung ginamit ko siya talaga is talagang lumalambot din yung skin ko. And then, of course, because it has niacinamide. So, calamansi is about exfoliation and antibacterial as well. And it also helps in brightening up the skin tone. And then, tawas is also known for antibacterial and fights body odor. So, you can also try this niacinamide calamansi tawas soap. Kasi maganda talaga siya when you fight bacteria and body odor this 2025.